Welcome to National Cherry Month. This is the time of year when everyone can dive into the delightful world of cherries. It's a month dedicated to enjoying everything cherries have to offer. From their sweet and tangy flavor that enhances your favorite dishes, to the remarkable health benefits they provide, cherries are truly a treat. Whether you're baking cherry pies or tossing them into a refreshing summer salad, the possibilities are endless. But cherries are not just delicious. Did you know they can also help soothe joint pain? That's right. The natural compounds found in cherries may reduce inflammation and support your overall wellness. So, whether you are a chef in the kitchen or just love snacking, National Cherry Month invites you to celebrate these amazing fruits. But let's have a little fun with some cherry facts. Did you know George Washington's birthday, the chopper of the cherry tree, is February 22nd, and Abraham Lincoln's birthday is on the 12th? With both of these former president birthdays in February, that is why February has President's Day is celebrated on the third Monday in February. February is also the National Cherry Blossom Festival in Washington, D.C. Did you know the National Cherry Blossom Festival started way back in 1912? It all began with a gift of 3,000 cherry trees from Japan. But here's the cool part. Those trees, the sakura, mean everything in Japanese culture. They're like a living reminder that life is gorgeous but also fleeting. Talk about a powerful message. Check out blog posts on National Cherry Month on our website at www.traversebayfarms.com.